All right, these are the elevators at 719 Sawdust Road in Spring, Texas. And these look like Dover Classics. Ooh, they're glass. I wasn't expecting that. Oh yeah, they got an atrium here. All right, go to number 3. Here we're at 3. All right, get on to 1. And the door closes when you push the button. I like that. All right, we'll take one more ride and we'll watch the numbers. 3. Three works. It's the only one that works. You're at 3. All right, we'll go to 1 and we'll do a cab view. It's a very nice elevator from, I'm assuming, like the 70s or 80s. I wasn't expecting to find a glass elevator in an atrium building here. Very pleasant surprise. These are fixtures right here, Dover Classic. And yeah, all I have to say is, man, what a find. And we'll send it up and have a look at it going up. Take a look at that. Oh yeah, here they are. Oh yeah, there it goes. And yeah, they're relay controlled. You can hear the relays. Okay, and that'll be it.